Good evening. My name is James Christian T. Pagara from Sabang, Palompon, Leyte, BSIT 1B. So, the Philippines has been subjected to imperialist ideologies through the colonization of Spain, America, American, and Japan. Which of this colonization affected Filipinos' life the most negatively? For me, Spanish colonization. Spanish colonization had the most lasting negative impacts on Filipinos. First evidence to that is the Encomienda system, where many Filipinos forced to work and pay taxes to the Spanish landowners, leaving poor and powerless. Next is the next is that they next is that they force Filipinos to convert to Catholicism, erasing many local traditions and beliefs. So over 300 years of revolts such as the Philippine Revolution, reflecting the deep suffering under the Spanish rules. Compared to Japan's colonizations during World War II, it was short compared to Spain operation. So that's my answer to that question. So the next question is, history was incorporated into our school, into our educational system by Philippine legislators. What historical teaching serves as inspiration for their choice, and what could be their motivation for wanting Filipinos to become? So, legislators included the history in schools to inspire patriotism, unity and pride of being a Filipino. They were influenced by Dr. Rizal's teachings on education and the bravery of revolutionaries like Bonifacio. Their goal was to ensure that the Filipino remembers the past struggles and avoid repeating mistakes and become informed citizens who, who contribute to nation building. So that's my answer to that question.